Everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here, and will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classteta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, using Microsoft Excel, create an investments cash flow diagram that will be have percent growth of 0 using MARR is equal to 12%. The study period needs to exactly 9 years. Each year should have at least one unique cash flow that is different from the cash flow over the other years. Your answer you should contain the tables showing the cash flows for each years of graphical representation of the cash flow diagram. The formula is the correct answer of the question is here is an example of table showing in the cash flow of ready investment project. Year cash flow 0, $10,000, 1, $30,000, 2, $4,000, 3, $2,000, 4, $1,000, 5, $5,000, 6, $6,000, 7, $3,000, 8, $3,000, 9, $8,000. To create the cash flows of diagrams in Excel, follow the steps. 1. Open a new workbook in Excel and create a new worksheet. Option 2. In the first column, the years number of 0 to 9. Option 3. Then the second column corresponding cash flow of each years. Option 4. Then the new cells use the cells functions and PV 0.1 to B11 to calculate the net present value of cash flow using AMMR 112 percentage. 5 options. Create a bar charts by selecting the two columns of data, clicking inserts bar charts clustered by charts. Option 6. Add exist titles and chart titles to the charts. Here and examples of what cash flow diagram might look like. As you can see, the initial investment of $10,000 at years E0 is followed by a series of a positive and negative cash flows over the next 9 years. The net present value of the cash flow is 0 at AMARR is of 12%. So that's the answer of the questions. If you are searching any other questions, please visit www.classteta.com and find on the search sections. If you have any question to ask, there another section on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.